sixth grade. Both of you, I will put this into both of your Google Classrooms. And this 7.8 is the last section of this chapter. So once we've had this and we've had a chance to do the sheets that I've already put in for you, we'll start reviewing. And let's say today's Monday. Maybe by Thursday we will have the chapter test. All right? So let's begin. Solving percent problems. There's more than one way to do this, but we're going to talk about the proportion way first, and we're going to talk about something called part over whole equals part over whole. And it's really important that you get these things in the right position relating to each other. And you read the question carefully. So, what is 90% of 45? Reading this, I know that 45 is 100%. And therefore, I'm going to know that if I'm looking for 90%, my answer should be less than 45, right? So let's set this up. Part over whole on the percent side, part over whole on the number side. So I've got 90 over 100 here, and I don't know what 90% of 45 is, so that's where my variable goes. And 45 goes on the bottom. So I'm going to do cross products, otherwise known as the butterfly method, and it's 100 times x, which is 100x, and 90 times 45, well, that turns out, when I use my trusty calculator, to be 4,050. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 100 because I want x to be by itself, just like we are now. So 100 divided by 100, that gives me 1x. 4,050 divided by 100, trusty calculator, x equals 40.5. But the question was actually from the textbook. I had read it wrong. But the question in the textbook was, what percent of 90 is 45? Now, 90 and 45 are both actual numbers. Neither one are a percent. So I'm going to put 45 because that's part over 90 because that's whole. I'm going to put x over 100 because I'm looking for the part and I've got 100% as the whole. Again, butterflies are free. Why not you and me? So 90 times x, 90 times x is 90x, and 45 times 100 is 4,500. I'm going to divide both sides by 90. And I'm just going to do that to make myself a little more comfortable. And I'm going to say, how many 9s are there in 45? Well, that must be 5. But it's 450, so it's 50, not 5. Now I'm going back over here. So 50 goes here, but I have to think of what does 50 represent to me? What percent? I'm looking for a percent. So 50 is a percent. Okay? Now we've got the one in the book correctly delineated. Let's try a few more examples. Okay. Right here we've got 12 is 8% of what number? 12 is a number, but it's 8%. So I've got a part and a part, and I'm looking for a whole. All right? So I like to put percents with percents. And parts in the same position, and I don't know what that is, so there's my variable. Again, my butterfly. 1,200, that one was easy. I didn't need my calculator. Equals 8 times x, 8x. I'm going to let you guys finish that because I know you can, and you have calculators. All right? What percent of 75 is 105? Wow. 105 is more than 75. So I wonder if it'll be more than 100%. But both of these are actual numbers, and this is a whole, and this is a part. Very tricky. So I'm going to put the part on top and the whole on the bottom. And I'm going to put x over here because I don't know what percent 105 is, but I do know that 75 is 100%. So 75x equals 105, and I hope I can fit those 2 zeros in. 105, oh, what am I saying? 10,500. All right, and again, I'm going to leave you to push the buttons on the calculator. So one more. 48 is 20% of some unknown number, but it's just 20%. How will I set this up? I'm going to say that it's 20% over 100, and it's telling me that 48 is 20%, so I'm going to put 48 here. But I don't know what the number is going to be, so there is my variable. 4,800 equals 20x. Again, I'm going to leave you guys to do the divisions. And I think you're going to get to that, and I think that you're going to find it really easy to work with. The last section, the last example in the book is talking about sales tax. So it sets up the same way. Ravi bought a t-shirt at a retail price of $12 and he paid 99 cents in tax, sales tax. What's the rate? So 99 cents and $12, 99 cents is a part, so it's 0.99 over 12 equals, well, we don't know. So it's x over 100%. I think that that should cover it for you for this chapter. And I'd like you to look. Maybe what I'd like to be sure is that you finish the proportions from yesterday. And if you have, then maybe you go on to page 324. Let's see, where can I squirrel this away? Homework. Page 324, 2 through 100. Oh no, I didn't mean to say that. 2 through 30 evens. All right? Can you see that there? Homework, page 324, 2 through 30 evens. Have a good day.